Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause the door to not close completely, a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, or a buildup of moisture on the interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the refrigerator door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the old door gasket, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and you'll kind of need to experiment and pulling it off approximately this height. There is a cutout in this groove here. So we're going to insert the screwdriver right in there, and I'm going to pry off the door gasket. And I'm going to continue pulling it out. All right. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So here we got a new door gasket, and this edge at the back of the gasket is going to be inserted into this groove. Before doing that, make sure that the groove is clean. If not, then wash it with the sponge and warm soapy water, and don't forget to dry it. We're going to start installation of the gasket from the top corners. We're going to insert that ridge into this groove and press it in hard. Continue on the top. We go a few inches on each side down. Now I'm going to pull down on the gasket and install this bottom corner and the bottom side. And I'm going to move to this corner. Same thing, going to pull down on the gasket. Place the corner in and install the bottom. All right, now I'm going to insert the sides. Okay, I'm going to use this plastic mallet. I'm going to help myself to push this gasket into the groove. Okay, and now we can close the door and check how the gasket fits. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.